Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. Today we are discussing the example based on number system. Here in this example we discuss the base 10 number converted into base 2 system. So here and vice versa, base 2 number system converted into base 10. So watch this complete video for better concept. Here first we convert into base 2 to base 10 to base 2. Okay, so here write 12, and when we convert base decimal number system in base 2 number system convert, then we write here to take the table 2 6 the 12. Okay, and remainder is 0, and 2 3 the 6, and remainder is also 0, and 2 1 the 2, and remainder is 1. So here we write the 1100 in base 2. This is the right answer of this question. And now we convert this number into base 2, base 10. Either we get the answer right or wrong. So check here. 1100 equal to 1 multiply 2 plus 1 multiply 2 plus 0 multiply 2 plus 0 multiply 2. So here take the power 0, 1, 2, 3. So here we write 2 to the 4 and 4 to the 8. Okay, so 1 multiply 8 plus 2 to the 4, 1 multiply 4. And this is also 0, this is also 0. So here we write 1 multiply 8 is 8 plus 4, and this is the 0. So here 8 plus 4 is 12. So now when we convert base 10 number 12 to base 2, we get this answer, and then we take this answer to convert in base 10 number system to get the 12. So this is the scenario between base 10 to base 2 and base 2 to base 10. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video. Thanks for watching. And remaining one thing, base 10 system based on 10 digit 0 to 9. Okay, this is the worldwide system we use in a basic calculation in everyday life.